Alright, the exercise starts with an alternate picking from the 5th fret down, 6th fret up, 7th fret down, and the 8th fret up. And you see the fingers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're using the first string, okay? And that's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the next one is, those are quarter notes. The second ones are 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay. The next one, same tempo, but we're thinking of 3 plucks or triplets. Like that, okay? And then the next one is 16 notes. We are playing 4 alternate picking on each note. Like that. Recap: 1. Second is. Third is triplets. And the fourth one are 16 notes. Alternate picking all the time, okay? Now it might sound simple, but let's try it with a metronome now. Here we go. Okay, did you get it? We'll do it one more time. Slow down. Always think of quarter notes on the first one, and then 8 notes, and then triplets, and then 16 notes. Like that, okay? So we put them all together with a metronome. That's the challenge. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Okay, practice that a few more times. And then now we're going to move that exercise on the 2nd string, and then on the 3rd string, and then on the 4th string, 5th string, and the 6th string. Okay? This is what it's going to look like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, did you get it? So practice this every day. So practice that as much as you need to perfect it. Me, myself, I need to practice that every day just to maintain my picking technique and skills. So I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one.